Hi, my name is Vicki Richardson, and I'm going to talk about Ditty Bird Press today. So in all of their books, there are 6 songs, 6 images, and 6 buttons for the child to push. All of the books come shrink wrapped, and there's a tab in the back, so when you pull it out, you'll be able to play. So know that no customers can access this until they are ready to purchase the book. One of my favorite is the bedtime stories. So you just open up the book, look for this little spot right here. We're going to press it. And just press it again to stop it. Let's try another one that is really fun. Everybody knows this one. You feel free to sing along.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, oh, I wonder what you are.
So they have lots of different categories with the books. You can get free racks if you would like with the little shelf, and you can get that free. And then you can get this beautiful wooden display. So think about Ditty Bird Press because they're unique and they're lovely to listen to.